In the use of traditional high temperature and high pressure curing chamber, the sealing of the chamber lid has always been a troublesome issue. To ensure tight sealing, operators need to use a torque wrench to tighten the bolt in a specific sequence repeatedly, even more than 3 times. This process is time-consuming and labor-intensive, and even a slight mistake may lead to poor sealing, which affects the experiment. However, Nithon's high-temperature and high-pressure curing chamber has completely changed this situation. Our chamber lid only needs to be locked with one nut to easily achieve the inner cover sealing. This design not only simplifies the operation process, but also greatly reduces the physical burden on operators, making the sealing operation easy to complete. Our chamber lid adopts a double sealing structure. The dual protection of rubber sealing ring and a metal sealing ring fundamentally eliminates the risk of pressure leakage. This rubber sealing ring has good elasticity and can effectively fill tiny gaps, while this metal sealing ring provides higher strength and durability, ensuring stable sealing performance even if in high temperature and high pressure environments. This double sealing design not only makes installation simpler, but also makes the sealing performance more reliable.